going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a bag of Halloween candy. Okay, it's going to be really simple, really easy, and for beginners, so let's hop right into the lesson, okay? First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the actual bag itself, so the top of the bag, so I'm going to draw a line across, like so, just kind of an angled line, up over here to the corner. This line is going to be parallel to that line, meaning it's going to be kind of the same direction. And then, excuse me, then I'm going to connect those right on. Then I'm going to draw the actual bags, like the handles on the top of the bags already. I might as well just do it now. Curve right there for one arc. Oops. This marker is dying out. Let me add something else here. Curve right there. Same thing over here. Curve. And then another curve underneath. Like that. Sweet. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a line downward for the actual side of the bag itself. We're still keeping it easy, keeping it direct. Like I said, by the way, if you like learning how to draw stuff, there's a cute drawing ebook that's completely free on the main site. I'm going to put the link below, okay? Check out that cute drawing ebook. It's basically how you take stuff and you cutify it. So if you like, I don't know, like your pet or something, you know, and then you want to cutify it in a cartoon form, go follow that. It's going to go over how to do that, okay? It's a free ebook. Go check out the link in the description. I'm going to put a line down here, straight, straight, and then another straight line back here. It's going to be a little bit higher up on that one. I'm going to go angle it off. And then over here on this side, angle it off. Sweet. Alright. Now I want to draw candy around it, okay? So candy, I think the easiest way to draw, you know, small symbolic candy, draw a circle with an angle on it. Kind of like, let me see, like this, let me like, so circle in the middle, and then usually they have like a twist tie right on each side of the candy. So an easy representation would be like a kind of a triangle shape shoved into each side. I think that's the easiest way to draw candy, honestly. So you can draw that repeated shape over and over, and also you can draw one on top of the other. So for example, right underneath that, I'm going to draw a circle here underneath, and you're going to draw that shape, but it's hidden behind the other one in order to make it look a lot more like candy, right? We're in this side, circle, maybe different direction. It's on the floor here. Line over here. Line over here on this side. See, kind of like this one peeking behind the corner. I'm just taking that shape and I'm drawing these little lines right here, kind of like they're how do you call it, like twisted plastic, and I'm kind of doing that. Alright, and if I want to do more on this, I can draw, so usually the bag folds on the side, right? So I'm going to draw a line right there. It's going to be a triangle at the bottom, meaning it's just going to fold into the paper, and it's going to go straight line when it hits that triangle at the top. That's normal the way those bags fold. By the way, hit that like, by the way, if you like learning how to draw Halloween and different parts of Halloween, absolutely hit that like button. Okie doke. It's gonna go right here, and I'm gonna draw a circle on this side. Okay. Just a circle on a bag for just kind of a simple, just a relatively simple design, right? That's what we're looking for. We're looking for a relatively simple design. I'm gonna draw a eyes. So it's gonna have like a jack-o'-lantern kind of drawn into the side, right? To get those triangles for eyes, triangle for a nose, zigzag, zigzag over here, stump at the top, curve for the top of the head, right? It's gonna have the like when you chop open a jack-o'-lantern to put a light into it. And then we're gonna draw thin lines. And remember, this design's already small, so you're gonna draw like a line like that, real little, very small, almost indicative like lines for kind of the what do you call it, the crest, the what do you call it, the folds in the pumpkin. And if you really want to bring focus to this, fill in the eyes. See that? Filling in the eyes there and the mouth. See how like it actually, you can see it now? It's like striking. That's a graphic pattern, right? Meaning you can see it very easily now. Gonna go over here. Let's draw like just some weird shape behind it, like it has a design on the bag. This is literally something I'm just completely making up, right? And you can actually fill that in as well a little bit, because when you fill that in as well, it's gonna make that stand out. It could have been anything. Could have been other triangles. And that's mostly it, honestly. But that's kind of the way I would draw like a bag of candy, and I think it's really beneficial. I would say it's a good tool to use. So thank you so much. I'm gonna be posting here constantly over Halloween. I want you to subscribe and click the bell notification. I'm gonna be posting all the time. Okay. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and I will talk to you very, very soon. All right. See you later.